Hello, this is Subash. Today I am going to unbox one of the amazing and cool and fantastic toolkits. This is right now you can see in my hands. This is 46 in 1 toolkits where different type of screwdriver with a socket. So I am going to unbox and also going to review of this product. Let's see what inside and how is it work. Everything I am going to share in this video. So firstly I am going to unboxing this product. So here we need to unbox this product carefully. From here you can see here we need to tear from here. Then after you can see here this is our product. So you can see here 46 piece tool set from More and Auto. So I also need to remove this plastic cover. Then after I open this, you can see what's the amazing cover of this the box. What's the amazing color and it's like it's cool. Then after we need to open from here, and wow, now you can see. Okay, now we are going to review of this product. So this and this and this are the main handle of this product. Like these are the main handle, like a handle which we use for the like socket. So I am going to say you detail in this video for which things we can use like that. So for that one, this one is used for like it's a rotatable, you can rotate anyway. So this is rotatable. So firstly we need to put this type of socket inside this one. We need to find a good position to put here. Then after inside here, and you can rotate anyway. So and open anything like any type of things when you are try to open. So you can use this one, and after when you take out from here, then we need to press here. Then after take out like this. So this is the product where we can open anything from here, like it's a rotatable product. So from here we need to put the thing like here. Then after this is the like a screwdriver. From here you can also open anything like this type of sockets. When you have, then you can use to open. Otherwise when you want to put a socket like this here, then you need to put inside there. And then after choose which type of sockets required there, then you can use socket for this one. So this is it is not a rotatable, it's just like a screwdriver where used for the socket. And this one is a big one where we can use like when you need a more like we need a big size of socket, then you can use this one and expand from here. Then after we can use to put here socket and open like anything from this one, put here, and then after we can open anything from this one. So these are the main things where we can use easily to like take anything, and then after open anything like this one, you can use this type of thing here. Then after this is also like you can also use this for like opening anything like rotatable or taking this type of position. So in this way you can use these things. And I have told you about these products also, like when we want to open anything, like then we just put this type of socket and we can use. And then after put this one, you can also put this everything, like you can put for this one. For the handle we are confirmed now where we need to use, and this is for the like use for the like a mic electric to like a mobile or laptop. We can use this tool to open, or we can also like what type of required they are, like which size perfect for to open, then we can use this one. And Also, I'm sorry, and these are the sockets where we need to like put and use what type of socket required to open any type of electric tools or any type of tools which you going to open. So these tools you can use. And the price of this product is 685. I was purchased from Daraz. I was purchased from Daraz online shopping of Nepal. So I will also put the link of this product in my description box from where you can get easily. And this is so amazing and cool product. And here you can see the different type of sockets. These are the this is normal socket where you use, but these are the like the bigger one. And also there's one socket is like you can see we can if you want something like put inside there, and you can also rotate like which position you want to open. And you can also use this type of things here. And then after, sorry, these are the little bit, so you can put this thing anywhere and you can rotate and open anything from this one. So this is so amazing cool tools, and it's a really useful things in our daily life or opening anything. So I hope this product is so good and it's an amazing and cool product. Thank you for watching our video.